We're at the field on this beautiful morning with the A4 Skyhawk. It's going to be its maiden day. Just a quick look over of any changes I made. The only main one, there's only two really. It's the servo. I had an extra set of Hitec 5085 servos that the stock servo has been replaced with, and the nose gear. The spring from the nose gear has been replaced with fuel tubing. And that's the only modifications made to this. Oh, cosmetic. I made the fuel probe removable with a little screw there. I just drilled in there to set it in place. And the same thing with the tail hook. I can't see if it's or not, but right there. Those are just small servo screws I used. Now I'm going to get ready for its maiden. The flaps, bring the flaps down one. I don't have that set exactly per manual, but the mix is in. The elevator mix is in for the flaps as well. Bring the flaps up. Gears are going up. CG feels perfect. Okay, let's bring these to middle rates. The roll feels a bit touchy. I'm starting to feel like I have a slight right roll. That may be due to the flaps. It's a massive. It's a major roll rate here with this. Oh, it turned over on me. Ah. Oh, I get plenty of flight time with this. Oh, why does it do that? Okay, actually I should test the flaps out.
Flaps 1. Flaps 2.
Okay.
Flaps 1. Flaps low battery.
Okay.
Gear down. Low battery. Flaps 1. Flaps 2.
Oh, nice. Okay, thank you.
Flaps
All right, successful.